The next thing that I want to show you is the option to use the same landing page in multiple campaigns. We see this more and more often for our customers. They have a campaign that they start. Maybe they start the campaign on Microsoft Ads. It has some good performance, and then they decide to test the campaign on Google Ads or on Facebook Ads. And in order to do this, the easiest way will be to use the same pages. And this is possible with CPV Lab, and it's easy to implement. I will share my screen and show you how this can be done. For example, if I go to the campaigns list here, let's see, I have the campaigns that I have created here, and I see the septic tank campaign. It's running on Microsoft Ads, and it had a pretty good performance. I have profit on this campaign. I decide to run this campaign on Google. Then I will create a new campaign with the same pages inside CPV Lab. The easiest way to do that will be to use the clone button from here. I will keep the same campaign type. I can clone it to a different campaign, but I want to be exactly the same. The only difference to be the traffic source. I have a new name here, septic tank for Google. For example, what is very important in your campaign is that you always select a custom tracking domain that matches your landing page domain. So the landing page domain is on dayproducts.com. I will choose the custom tracking domain go.dayproducts.com. All the settings were copied from the base campaign here. What I will do, I will change the campaign type to be on Google Ads search. You see that the tokens were updated here. I will update the extra tokens as well. For example, I want to get the campaign ID here, and I want to get from Google Ads the network where the ads were shown. I have the same landing page copied. I have the same offer, and now I'm just saving the campaign. And for the configuration inside the landing page, when you use the multiple traffic sources for the same landing page, you'll have to add the tracking code, the one that you see here in step 2, only once inside the campaign. So this one, you already have it in the page since you cloned that campaign. You don't have to add the tracking code again. This is enough. The tracking link, the CTA link that goes on the button to redirect to the offer, is the same. So this won't be changed. It remains as it is in the landing page. It is important to use the final URL provided here and the final URL suffix, the parameters, when you define your ads in Google in this case, because these parameters will tell the tracker that this visitor came from the Google campaign. It will be tracked in the Google campaign. If the visitor came from the Microsoft Ads campaign, then these parameters will tell to track the visitor inside the Microsoft Ads campaign. So very easy to configure the same landing page for multiple traffic sources. You can do the same with Facebook, you can do the same with TikTok or any other ad network that you want to use.